Hey traders, welcome back to Money Moves. This week's trade of the week is a perfect example of why patience and supply demand trading can give you low risk, high probability trades. Take a look at this 2-hour natural gas chart. The red area marked here was our supply zone. The zone was formed on 10th of July. We were waiting for the prices to come near our zone. On 16th of July, prices came inside our zone and blasted. We made a good profit in this trade. But why we were able to make this good profit in this trade? Let's analyze the thought process behind planning this trade. If we go to weekly time frame, you can see natural gas was taking rejection from 50 AMA. This was pretty evident that natural gas has entered in a downtrend now. And in trading, there is a quote: "Trend is your friend." So we traded in the direction of trend, went to smaller time frame, marked the beautiful drop pattern, waited for prices to come near our zone. Prices came and we got our target. This is a textbook example of letting the market come to your level instead of chasing the price. The biggest takeaway isn't that the trade was profitable, it is that the process was correct. Identified a quality supply zone, entered with a predefined stop loss, and the results are self explanatory. When you consistently follow the process, the results take care of themselves. If you enjoyed this trade of the week setup, hit like button, subscribe to Money Moves, and let me know in the comment which market stock you would like me to analyze next. Thank you for watching.